Welcome to video lecture of class 12. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now we start your first chapter, relation and function. This is the third lecture of chapter first. In previous lecture we discuss about relation. In relation we discuss equivalent relation, reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We also discuss some numerical pattern related to relation. Here we discuss function and types of function. In class 11, you studies about function and some special types of function like as identity function, constant function, polynomial function, signum function, modulus function, etc. with their graphs. Also, you studies that addition of function, subtraction of function, multiplication of function, etc. Here, we extend our knowledge about function. In this section, we discuss about some different types of function, just like a one function is also known as injective, many one function, unto function is also known as surjective, one and unto, which is bijective. Now we start our first topics, one and many one. What is one and many one function? A function f such that x tends to y is defined to be one if the image of distinct element of x are distinct. That is, if a function defined as x tends to y, if every element of x have a distinct image y, then we said to be function is one. It's represent also as a for every x1 x2 belongs to x, just like a fx1 is equal to fx2, therefore x1 is equal to x2. If function is not one, then we says that the function is many one. Now it's clear about examples. Here four examples are given below. This example for f1, f2, f3 and f4. For first example is image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is D, image of 4 is C. Now each element of X have an image which are distinct, so f1 is 1. Second example is image of 1 is B, image of 2 is also B. So for every element of X have an image, but two element 1 and 2 having same image B, which is not distinct, so f2 is not 1. Now this one image of A, image of 2 is A. Here also two element have same image A, this is not 1. Now here one image is B, 2 image of C, image of 3 is A, image of 4 is D. Every element of X have an image and all of the images are distinct, so f4 is 1. Now here f1 and f4 are 1 function and f2 and f3 are many one function. Now we move for on to f1 and f4 are 1 function, f2 and f3 are many one function. We discussed earlier. What is unto function? A function f such that x tends to y is said to be unto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. That is, a function f such that x tends to y is said to be unto if for every element of y there are a image of some element of x. This also can written as for every y belongs to capital Y there exists an element small x in x such that fx is equal to y. This can also be cleared that with examples. Now example is same previous example we taken as image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is D, image of 4 is C. Now here every element of y, here E are free. 4 element of y are image of this element but E are free, so it is not unto. Here in y there are 5 elements B, C, D, E. Here A and E are free, so these two elements are free, so not every element. Here for every y, for capital Y, every element of y are a image of some element of x, but here A and E are free, so this is not unto. This is also not unto. Here f3, 1 image is A, 2 is image is A, 3 image is B, 4 image is C. For every element of y there are some element of x. This is every element of y are engaged with this and her every element have image of this element, so this is unto. Here image of 1 is B, image of 2 is C, image of 3 is A, image of 4 is D. Here every element of Y also is an image of some element of X. Here no element are free, so this is onto. Now here f1 and f2 not onto, f3 and f4 are onto function. Now we move our next bijective function. A function f such that x tends to y is said to be 1 1 and onto, which is also known as bijective. A function f such that x tends to y is said to be bijective function if f is both 1 1 and onto. If function f is both 1 1 and onto, then f is said to be bijective function. Now it's clear that above example, this is 1 1, this is not 1 1, this is not 1 1, this is 1 1. Here we discuss about f1 and f4. Here for every element of y their e are free, so it is not 1 2 onto, but it is 1 1. So we will not take bijective function. Here for every element of y is some image of element x. Here this is 1 1 and onto both, so f4 is a bijective function. Now using this you can solve your homework. What is injective, surjective and bijective? Define each with examples. Thank you.